everyone. It's day 198 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird of the day is the Black Vulture. Black vultures are team players. Individually, they get edged out by turkey vultures, but together they swarm a carcass like pros, chasing the solo rivals away. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?